Hello, my beautiful friends. Welcome. My name is Christina Marie from Beauty on My Bee. I do beauty reviews, tutorials, unboxings, and giveaways. We are unboxing the Boxycharm November Premium Box, as well as giving away one of the products in here. Some of you guys have asked me what I've got going on my eyes. I do have today the Ciate London New England palette. Kind of mainly these shades right in here. This will be going up. Obviously, I have mine and I have yours that's not touched or swatched or anything like that, that we are giving away for the December eyeshadow. I do an eyeshadow palette giveaway every month, and so that'll be the December one. I'll also do a review of it. So that'll go live, I think either December 1st or December 2nd. For the November eyeshadow palette, it is the Violet Voss Essentials 2 palette. So the link for this one will be in the description box down below. So I did already do my Boxycharm base box. If you haven't seen it, I have some serious why questions in there. Just why? So this is the Boxycharm Premium Box. It's 6 full-size items for $35. They do have a Luxe one that comes out every quarter, so the next Luxe one will be December, and that's 8 full-size items for $50. That month you do not, if you get a base, a Luxe, and a premium like I do, then you will not get your base that month, and you only get your premium and your Luxe. So let's find out what's in the premium for the month of November. I am so glad that they changed their dates for when you can choose items to all at once, because I forgot to choose an item for this one. So I don't know what that is. I don't know what I'm getting there. And anyway, we are going to be giving away one of the items in here. You must watch the video in its entirety, like the video, and then somewhere in here will be a secret word that you're going to need to know for your Google form link, which will be in the description box down below. So you can tell it's a premium box because it's blue. I have version number 5. From Il Masqua is the Unveiled Artistry Palette. Express your individuality with 12 highly pigmented powder eyeshadows in satin, matte, and metallic shimmer. Each one delivers a color-intense finish, allowing you to create a number of unique nude looks. From natural everyday to the perfect smoky eye, retails for $50. And so this is kind of what they sent me as my choice item, even though I really didn't choose. I don't even remember what the shades were. I do like on the plastic, it kind of tells you what each of the shades are. It's a pretty palette. It's just, I like more intense kind of looks. So I don't know how much use I'm really gonna get out of it. I think I might save this one for an upcoming giveaway. From Grown Alchemist is the Detox Night Cream Peptide 3 in Asia Reishi extract. The advanced detoxifying night cream is formulated with a complex blend of peptides, Anacia vitamins, hyaluronic acid, and essential omega fatty acids. They detox and regenerate the skin, reducing the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, resulting in a radiant and youthful looking skin. Sounds pretty good. Ingredients look pretty legit. Can we talk about packaging size here? For $125, you get 1.35 fluid ounces. And look at the difference here. I mean, granted, this is up, but still, there's a lot of packaging that's gotten to waste that they could have used for better purposes, in my opinion. It's nice. Would I spend $125 on a night cream? No, I would not. Do I think it's like pretty good ingredients? Yeah. So I'm glad that I got it, but I would never spend that on my own. From Ela Beauty is the Color Block High Impact Lipstick. This lipstick is high pigmented, long wearing, truly hydrating, and provides full coverage in just one swipe. It's crafted by hand milled customized pigments in organic color seed oil to offer 4 times more color. Mine is in the shade Amber Light. Here's what the inner packaging looks like. It's a really pretty kind of nude shade. From Cosmetics is a skincare brush set. Skincare? I've never heard of that. Although, I take it back, I do have a brush that I kind of use on some of my clay masks. This is take cleansing to the next level with the embossed brush designed in gentle exfoliation and effective deep pore cleansing. Plus, bring the spa experience home with a dual-sided silicone spatula that effortlessly and evenly distributes product across your face. Use it to apply cream, exfoliator, serum, and masks with the ultimate precision and no mess. This one kind of reminds me of like a foundation brush. I don't know if you can the light's gonna see it, but look how it's got these like little divots here. Interesting. And this one is more of a silicone. It does have kind of these rubber knobs on this side, and then this side is smooth. So it retails for $25. From Dose of Colors, I do like the Dose of Colors formula a lot. This is the Block Party Single Eyeshadow. This eyeshadow is packed with multi-dimensional reflex, creating an ultra dazzling finish. Each eyeshadow comes in its own mirrored compact. Retails for $20. Mine is in the shade Lock Key. Here's that mirror. It's really pretty, kind of dark copper shade. So I don't do a lot of single eyeshadows. I hardly ever reach for a single eyeshadow. So let's do this as our giveaway for this one. I do have one more product though here in the box to talk to you about. Secret word, lock and key. So the last product in here is from Real Her. It is a lip liner duo. Line your lips with ease with this creamy formulation. It's infused with jojoba seed oil and shea butter, providing a smooth application and a natural matte finish. Choose between our deep nude and true red while preventing your favorite lipstick, matte, or moisturizer from bleeding and feathering. There is the shade Be Yourself. Just here, kind of a dark burgundy, and here's kind of a creamy brown nude, and I am confident. So retail of this box is $273. Do I think I got my $35 worth? Not really. This definitely not been my favorite box. Most of these products in here I probably won't use. So that's a bummer. So yeah, I wasn't too happy with the base box either this month. You know, I'll give it a couple more months and see if I stick with the premium. I'll probably always get the base because I do like the luxe boxes most of the time. But wow, really, really disappointing month for both my base and my premium boxes. And I don't think I've had it where I've had both disappointing for either one, for both of them. Usually one of them is pretty good and the other one's like, eh. So, but Amex, I do really like the Dose of Colors formula. I just don't reach for a single eyeshadow. So I'm super happy to give this to one of you guys. So like I said, you must like the video, watch it in its entirety, and in the description box down below will be a Google form link. Make sure to fill it out. Make sure to only fill it out once. Put on it your YouTube name and also what that secret word is. Do not put that secret word in the comments section down below. YouTube is no way affiliated with this. This is me giving back to you. I love giving back to you guys. I have giveaways going on all the time. Let's have this giveaway go through December 15th. It'll end December 16th. I will pin in the comment section down below the person's first name and first initial of their last name. This giveaway is open internationally. I am, though, not responsible for duties, taxes, fees, tariffs, lost in transit, damaged, anything like that for it to get to you. If you do want 2 extra bonus entries for the giveaway, go follow me over on Instagram. That handle is beautyama, A-M-A, and letter B. And if you share this video, that'll get you an extra bonus entry as well. I'm really trying to grow this channel, and I gotta get my watch time minutes up so I can get it monetized so I can keep doing this for you guys because I love giving back to you guys. Love being a little ray of sunshine. YouTube will now go ahead and insert a couple other videos for you if you have the time. I greatly appreciate you checking them out. I hope that you guys have a beautiful rest of your day. Stay safe, take care of yourselves, take care of one another, and I will see you soon. Good luck in the giveaway. Bye.